Today we are going to talk about a young developer that has been operational in India for almost 1 decade and they started their operations in 2013. 12 साल के operations के अंदर they launched around 8 projects in Gurgaon, out of which 4 projects have been delivered. In fact, कुछ ऐसी developments उन्होंने market के अंदर launch करी हैं, those have become the market developments of the market. This developer operates in almost all the micro market, whether we talk about Golf Course, Extension Road, SPR or Dwarka Expressway. Today I am going to talk about Elan Limited and their new upcoming development that's coming up on Sona Road in Sector 49. We will try to understand the company operations till date, what kind of projects they have done, what was their last residential development that created a wow factor in the market and how much premium that the people who invested in their projects have made. इसी के साथ इस कंटेंट को करने का मेन पर्पस ये है कि they are coming up with their super ultra luxury development on Sona Road in Sector 49. A project brief as the RERA is not there. So we have just about the product, what kind of product category that is going to come up, what is going to be the price, what is going to be the payment plan, and what kind of consultants they are going to utilize in this particular location. And at the same time, does it make sense to invest into this project, whether you want to take it for a value appreciation or if you want to take this particular product for your own stay. Let's dive into the project और understand करते हैं where this project is placed. तो इलान ने अपने ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट करे 2013 के अंदर and till date they have launched around 8 projects. They have around 7,000 plus happy customers, around 15 million square feet under development and around 15,000 crores worth planned investment. तो 2023 जनवरी से पहले इलान का जो मेजर प्रेजेंस रहा है वो कमर्शियल डेवलपमेंट्स में रहा है. They launched multiple commercial developments across Gurgaon market. Elan Imperial, Elan Empire, Elan Paradise, Elan Epic, Elan Miracle, Elan Town Center and Elan Mercado. So ये जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं ये कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, रिटेल डेवलपमेंट्स हैं और मिक्स यूज डेवलपमेंट्स हैं विद ऑफिस और हॉस्पिटैलिटी इन्वॉल्वड इनटू इट. लेकिन जनवरी 2023 के अंदर इलान ने कुछ ऐसा किया which actually changed the dynamics of Dwarka Expressway market. They acquired a land bank on Dwarka Expressway and in January 2023 they launched this particular project. The name of this project was Elan the Presidential. The total development was around 40 acres जिसके अंदर पहले इलान ने फेज 1 को लॉन्च करा जिसका नाम था इलान द प्रेसिडेंशियल. इसको लॉन्च किया गया अराउंड 13,000 रुपए फुट के रेट पे प्लस पीएलसी प्लस जीएसटी पे. और आपको पता है आज ये ऑपरेट करता है एट ए प्राइस ऑफ अराउंड 19,000 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट प्लस प्लस इन ए रीसेल मार्केट. इसी के साथ इलान ने अपना फेज 2 लॉन्च किया विद द नेम इलान एम्परर एंड दैट वाज लॉन्च्ड एट ए प्राइस ऑफ अराउंड 23,000 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट. ये दोनों प्रोजेक्ट्स जो थे सुपर हिट थे and maximum of the inventories have been sold out. इसकी जो कैटेगरी थी they were majorly targeting HNIs and it was a super luxury development. In fact अगर मैं आपको बताऊं जो सबसे महंगा कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है इंडिया के अंदर they have deployed that on this particular project. Leeton is doing the construction of this particular project. They are very expensive in terms of contracting and they are finest in their business. In fact they deployed best minds from the market into this product. The landscape architect is HWA from Texas, USA. Leeton, that is doing the contracting work, it's from Sydney, Australia. VET, that is going to manage the water feature consultancy, they are from California, US. CD plus M, they will be working as a lighting consultant. They are from Dubai and they have worked on a Burj Khalifa lighting work. HBA is the interior design consultant, that is again from California, USA. UHA from London is the principal architect. Mero is the club contractor from Texas, US. And Thornton Thomisty is the structural consultant that is again from US, New York. So these kind of international consultant they incorporated into this particular project and they are trying to make an international product on Dwarka Expressway. तो आप इस डेवलपर का विजन सोच सकते हो ये किस तरह का प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करना चाहता है. सिमिलरली दे आर नाउ कमिंग ऑन सोना रोड इन सेक्टर 49 and I think they are going to be a game changer in this particular market as there is no supply of residential on this particular road. इससे पहले कि हम इस प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर एंटर करें, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गिव यू अ जस्ट कि लोगों ने कितने पे इन्वेस्ट किया था इनके द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे के रेजिडेंशियल प्रोडक्ट पे और उन्होंने क्या पैसा बनाया। तो इलान का जो प्रेसिडेंशियल था दैट वाज लॉन्च्ड एट ए प्राइस ऑफ अराउंड 13,000 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट, राइट नाउ ट्रेड्स एट 19,000 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट। अभी तक क्लाइंट्स ने डेवलपर को सिर्फ 30% ऑफ द पेमेंट करी है। 30% ऑफ द पेमेंट का मतलब हो गया अराउंड 4,500 रुपये फुट क्लाइंट ने पे किया है, and they have made around 5,000 rupees per square feet of appreciation. That means 100% appreciation in a span of 2 years. Now coming on to Elan Emperor, that was launched around 7 to 8 months back. Again a super hit, almost sold out. Those are big size apartments, 4 BHKs and 5 BHK catering to super HNIs. So that's the kind of potential of appreciation that people get with Elan. Now coming on to the new project, that is Sector 49. तो Sector 49 को पहले मैं explain करता हूँ कि where the location is. It is bang on Sona Road. When you are coming from Subhash Chowk, आप सुभाष चौक से सीधा आते रहेंगे सोना रोड की तरफ towards वाटिका चौक. This particular plot is going to come on the left hand side. It is going to be just ahead to Vatika Commercial that is on the Sona Road. तो ये नक्शे पे आप देख सकते हो कि ये प्लॉट कहाँ पे प्लेस्ड है. It is bang on Sona Road. There is approximately around 6 acres of development and there is going to be only 360 apartments. Those are going to come up in this particular product. इस 360 अपार्टमेंट में से कंपनी का प्लान है अराउंड 210 अपार्टमेंट्स अभी बेचने का एंड अराउंड 150 अपार्टमेंट आफ्टर पोजेशन सेल करने का. सो दैट्स अ काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस दैट द डेवलपर हैव ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन एंड द प्रोडक्ट. दे वांट टू गिव वेरी लिमिटेड सप्लाई इनटू द मार्केट एंड दे वांट टू रिटेन अराउंड 40% ऑफ द इन्वेंट्री इन हैंड सो दैट दे कैन सेल इट आउट इन द मार्केट वंस द पोजेशन ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज डन. So इस 6 एकड़ के अंदर अराउंड 5 टावर्स होंगे. The key USP of this development is going to be 80% of the space is going to be open areas and there's going to be ground plus 36 development. There's going to be only 2 apartments per floor. जिसका मतलब है कि आपको फ्रंट में भी बालकनी मिलेगी और आपको बैक साइड पे भी बालकनी मिलेगी. So you are going to have view of both sides of Gurgaon. Secondly, you are going to get sunlight throughout the day. Being open from both the sides, you get an opportunity to have ventilation and sunlight throughout the day. आज की डेट में ऐसे अपार्टमेंट्स मार्केट के अंदर मिलने बहुत मुश्किल है which are 2 apartments to a floor. Majorly developers are making 4 apartments to a floor. There's going to be a standard size. There's going to be 4,500 square feet apartment that is going to be 4 BHK plus servant. Developer ने thoughtfully सिर्फ एक ही साइज निकाला है. दे वॉन्टेड टू हैव लाइक माइंडेड पीपल विद इन द कम्युनिटी एंड दे डोंट वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट अ मिक्स ऑफ 2, 3 और 4 BHK इन द कम्युनिटी. जैसे हमने अभी पास की कुछ इन्वेंट्रीज जो मार्केट के अंदर लॉन्च हुई DLF की, जैसे प्रिवाना हो गया या आर्बर हो गया. आर्बर के अंदर भी स्टैंडर्ड साइज है ऑफ अराउंड 4,000 स्क्वायर फीट. प्रिवाना के अंदर भी 2 ही साइजेस हैं, 3,500 स्क्वायर फीट एंड 3,900 स्क्वायर फीट. ये थॉटफुली DLF का भी स्ट्रैटेजी था. सो दे वांटेड टू हैव अ लाइक माइंडेड पीपल विद इन द कम्युनिटी. सेम वे Elan is also moving towards the same strategy. They want like-minded people within the community. As I said, it's going to be 2 apartments to a core. Every apartment is going to get its own private elevator. और इसका major key USP, the structure, the external facade is going to be of glass and metal. So you will find very limited projects out in the market which have glass and metal involved in it. You have only Trump Tower and the second that was launched was Privana North. Now the third residential project with glass and metal would be this one. As the construction cost of putting a glass and a metal as a facade is very expensive, so very less developers put it as their key element. The lobbies are going to be double height and these are going to be 5-star lobbies. The clubhouse again is going to be large size, though we don't have the square feet size number right now, but as stated by the company, it's going to be a very big clubhouse and it will have a 5-star amenities within the community. Now coming on to further information, जितनी information हमें मिल पाई है because the RERA is not in place, so we have very limited information, a brief information about the product. So इसका जो architect होगा वो that is going to be Benoy. Now Benoy is a UK based company and they have done numerous iconic projects across the globe. एक दो projects which are the market developments of Benoy is Changi Airport, Singapore. Westfield London, Element Mall in Hong Kong, and Icon Siam in Bangkok. In Middle East, they have done few of the market developments like Ferrari World, Abu Dhabi, the Galleria in Abu Dhabi, and the City Walk in Dubai. So they have their operations in UK, Singapore, Hong Kong, Shanghai, Beijing, and Montreal. So Binoy is going to be the architect. There is going to be international consultants who are going to manage the landscaping, Vastu, the overall architecture of the club. But the name of these will be disclosed as we get more closer to the RERA date. At the same time, the contractor that would be deployed on this particular product is going to be A grade. It's going to be at par with Leighton Constructions. So there are going to be 5 towers. So as per the early information that is coming from the company, none of the units are going to face each other. The towers are placed in such a way that every apartment is going to get the privacy. And there's going to be huge green spaces and a big clubhouse at the center. That's a positive side of this particular project, as the new development, those are coming under TOD, are having around 100 apartments per an acre. Now the 60 apartments an acre obviously become less dense. Now coming on to the pricing and the payment plan. The pricing that is expected for this project is around 23,000 to 25,000 rupees per square feet. This is the vague figure and can vary as we reaches the launch date. And the payment plan is going to be flexible. The company wants to give breather to the clients and want people to make money on this particular product. Now coming on to the competition. As such, when we see the vicinity developments, you won't find much of the competition to this particular project because the land supply in this micro market is not there. This was the only land parcel that was left on Sona Road where a development could have made. Still, we can compare it with 2-3 projects which is closest to it. One can be CP2, that is Central Park 2. It won't be an apple to apple comparison, but that particular project is again on Sona Road and can give us the benchmark pricing. That particular project operates somewhere around 32 to 35,000 rupees per square feet in a resale market. At the same time, the company sells their new product at 40,000 to 45,000 rupees per square feet. Secondly, the other nearest project to it is Trump Tower 2. Now Trump Tower 2 again operates somewhere around 30,000 rupees per square feet from the company, and in the resale market it operates at 27 to 28,000 rupees per square feet. So seeing the kind of architects those are getting deployed into this product, the kind of elevation it's going to have, the glass facade and the metal architecture, I think the price is justified. Secondly, the density is controlled in this particular project, and also this is only catering to HNIs. Positives and negatives. Right now, as more information will come from the company, we will put that particular information also in our next video where we will capture the overall layouts and the master planning in a holistic way. At the same time, when we see this particular location, this is very close to M3M, IFC, Golf Estate. When actually we see it from the Golf Course Extension Road, Vatika Chowk, this would be just 1 kilometer away. The social infrastructure is in place next to it. The availability of schools, hospitals is around it. Accessibility to NH8 and SPR, it's very fast. So I think as per the location, this is rightly placed. I think we were able to give justice to the information that we have till now of this particular product. As more information comes up, we will be capturing it in our further content. I, Saurabh Duggal, with the experience of around 20 years in real estate and have worked with multiple A-grade developers at a senior management level, bring the right experience to make you understand which can be a product right fit for your investment and for your living. So do subscribe us and follow us on YouTube and Instagram.